different country. It's my boy Kibwana Zoro here in Africa. But today I have good news to you about our continent. But today this is new one to you from my YouTube channel. But welcome back. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe. You know what again about Africa? I hope you know, but you don't know more. Welcome here to our YouTube channel in order to know more about African continent, about our culture, about our lifestyle, about our other difference, creativity issues here in our continent. They have a lot here from the different country here. If you will be here, you can know more about the different culture from the different areas. And you know, when you will be here in our continent, you can learn more about different language, because in any country here in our continent, we speak to the different language. But welcome here in order to know more and to learn more about the different language. But me, I'm living in Tanzania. In Tanzania, we speak Swahili language. Habari gani? Ujambo. Hakuna matata. Karibu Tanzania. Yeah. But when you are in Kenya, you can know another language. Also in Kenya, they speak Swahili. But in Tanzania, we speak more Swahili. And that it's national. It was what? It's our I want to say that it is our national language, and Swahili language is international language. If you don't know, if you don't know now, that is good and amazing. But you know, when you come Africa, you can connect the different culture, and the African culture, it was too good. It is amazing. I'm really excited to be here to this continent, because I learn more lifestyle, more culture, more what? When I want to do something, it was like my issues or business issues here in Tanzania is different billionaires, different businessman, like Mr. Aliko Dangote. Not only that, there is a model here in Tanzania. They have a lot of the different good people and the business people here in our continent. But when you will be here in your continent, you can learn more about business, about tourism, about culture, about the different language, and you can connect to the different ways here in our country, not in your continent, not your country. Also, in your country, you can learn more. But me, I want to talk more about our African continent, because they have a lot here, and I know you can come here to our African continent. Yeah. If you want to know little God, welcome here in Africa. You can know more about anything here. And you know, Africa is a source of everything is started here in Africa. Everything. I hope everything it is started here in Africa. A lot of billionaires men from the different press. It is from here, Africa. But welcome Africa to learn more. Welcome to connect to our roots. Welcome to connect to our motherland. Is here in Africa. This is one of beautiful place, guys. They have a lot of good places here in our continent. People from the different places enjoy to be here in our continent. Uh, Sometimes I lean a lot of things to my one of my mentor, Wode Maya from Ghana. That is good man, and he is good YouTuber to the world. I really appreciate you, Wode Maya. I really appreciate you. May God bless you. You are the good one to our continent, and a lot of youth man lean to you the different ways how you can start to create content from the different area in Africa and out of Africa. How you can live with different people in the different ways, and you can enjoy a lot, bro. I really appreciate you, and I lean more to you, bro. Yeah, you are the one of my mentor here at the YouTube. I lean more to you about to create content, and I know a lot of ways how I can start to travel to the different places in Africa continent and around the world. I lean to you, bro. I hope, bro. I can go the time to create content with you. I hope one day I can do that, and we make the good issue here in Africa and out Africa. But I really appreciate you. Yeah, welcome African continent. This is the beautiful continent to the world, and the beautiful, and this is in Africa they have a massive massive development. Yeah, because here in Africa nowadays, when you watch the on TV on your television to the different places and the different country here in Africa, they have the spread of infrastructure development, and the massive changes of the different people to their lives here in Africa. You know what? There is some day I went to the Wode Maya about Burundi. You know Burundi, the last poor countries here in Africa. Yeah, I think here in Africa and to the world. But nowadays they have the young people there in Burundi start to do what? Start to make the big project, housing project in Burundi. And nowadays Burundi is looking beautiful, looking amazing, and the other people from the different area who go in Burundi but now come back in Burundi because Burundi is grows very fast, and they can enjoy to live there because it make the changes, a lot of changes there in Burundi. But me too, I'm enjoying to watch that, and I'm big proud of that man because he's a good man and he think about good things to their country. That is good and amazing here in Africa. Nowadays they have a lot of changes here in our continent. I hope you're doing good wherever you are. Welcome back and come to connect here to our culture. Come to enjoy the different areas here because the sources of tourism is here in Africa. Yeah, come and see. Here in Africa they have a lot of tourism areas here. When you'll be here, you can enjoy and you can say, oh, Kibona's world, you can speak truths about Africa. And nowadays I'm enjoying to be here. You can say that when you meet with me here in Africa, or when you visit Africa, you can say something about Africa, because Africa is a good and amazing continent to the world. Welcome Africa. And if you born in Africa and nowadays you live out of Africa, welcome to connect to our roots, welcome to connect to our mamaland, welcome to connect to your continent, and you can enjoy, because nowadays we live good life here in our continent. Welcome African continent, yeah, to connect to our roots and your culture. Welcome. Oh guys, don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe here to our YouTube channel. It's your boy Kibona's Glory. If you want to spread to spread my movement in Africa continent, please guys, don't forget to share, like, comment, and to subscribe here to our YouTube channel. May God bless you abundantly.